Over 70 million homes in the U.S. have central air conditioning, and that's not even counting all the industrial corporations. Pike County's heating and air conditioning program puts you on the cutting edge of this thriving industry. From refrigerators to central air, HVAC will always be in demand. This program offers hands-on training in air conditioning, electric and oil heating, refrigeration, heat pumps, soldering, brazing, sheet metal fabrication, service and installation techniques, and basic residential wiring, with an emphasis on troubleshooting, system design, and installation. You'll walk away with industry certifications and college credits. I think it's safe to say this is the coolest program at Pike County.